So welcome back. We're going to continue determining the slope of a line. This next equation I have is x equals -3. As we said, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So something's fishy here. We're missing the y. So I can't even solve for y. So that should be setting up some little red flags. Wait a minute, you just told me if I can solve for y, I can find the slope. But if I can't solve for y, how can I find the slope? Well, let's play this out. X equals -3. We know that x is locked in to be a -3. And when it's like this, we know that x is locked in, but y is not. So that means y is free to be whatever it wants. Let's make it easy on ourselves. Let's just pick y to be, say, 0. Again, x has to be -3. But again, y can be whatever it wants. So I'm going to just say y has to be, say, a 4. Just pick a couple of values. So let's graph these. -3, 0 would be an x-intercept. -3, 4. Looks like it's going to go there. So when I draw this line, we can kind of see that this line is going to be going in a vertical direction. So our line is taking on that characteristic. So when we have a vertical line, we made a note that a vertical line actually does not have a slope. So when we do the rise over the run, notice that there's a rise of 4, but there's no run. It doesn't move left or right. And remember, when that 0 is on the bottom, we can't divide by 0, so therefore we write down no slope. Or we use the words undefined. So that's kind of flagging us here. Or if we use the slope formula, we know this is 0.1 and this is 0.2. So y2 minus y1, I have 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0, and then x2 minus x1 is -3, take away a -3. So I have 4 on the top. On the bottom, we know that a -3 and the opposite of a -3 is the same thing as -3 plus 3. So we have 4 over 0, and again, that's that flag that this is going to be undefined. I don't get an answer for that. So, that's kind of telling us that, well, since I can't solve for y, it doesn't have a slope-intercept form. So what that's leading us to then is this equation does not have a slope. So this is considered no slope. Also note that since it's parallel to the y-axis, it doesn't even have a y-intercept either, because it's parallel to the y-axis. So a question like this can look a little strange, but actually there's not a whole lot of math, and it makes it pretty easy once you understand what we're looking for. So since it doesn't have a slope-intercept form, I can't solve for y. This is going to be a no slope. Okay? Stay tuned for another one.